MVA head-on collision. They're requesting 2 additional ambulances to enter through Dexter Street. Bravo EMS mutual aid response, Dexter Street, Old County Road by West Meadow. For 2 vehicle MVA head-on collision, they're requesting 2 additional ambulances to enter from Dexter Street. Not clear. Rockland Engine 2 Company, report to your station. Rockland Engine 2 Company, report to your station. Not clear. Thomas Engine 3, go ahead. Copy, Thomas Engine 3, heavy en route. Copy, Thomas Rescue 2, heavy en route.
3 heavy in. Engine 3 heavy in. Right. Did you also have a crew for utility 5? Should be leaving right behind us. Copy. Thomas, utility 5 en route. We will be going to Dexter Street, Ball County for traffic control. Utility 5, copy. Engine 3. Good. Come right up, come past the cruiser you see, and put your scene lights on so we can get some lights in here. Neville. Thomas and Engine 3 knock, we're on scene.
Copy, Thomas Engine 3, heavy on scene.